up, guys? This is my 2023 Outlander 850 base model, and we're going to do a little bit of a bike build today. Not a huge bike build, but we're going to put some stuff on it. We got a set of HD alloys for it, STI beadlocks. Set of 27 by 11s and 27 by 9s, just like a Bighorn style tire. They're Traxion Grippers, I think they're called. Maybe. And we're going to throw Yoshimura pipe on it. And I got a set of Viper Red Canadian handguards with the full wraparound fucking handle guards. And then we're going to slap all that on. We're going to go for some rips, do some wheelies. And yeah, let's get into it. So obviously this isn't the wheels and tires that come on this bike. These were off my brother's Renegade. When I bought it, just had steel wheels and like 26s. We just threw these on to go play. The bike might have like 200 kilometers on it. So the HD alloys, the HD STI wheels, they're 14 by 7s, and I went 5.2 offset, square setup right around my bike. So I'm not sure how the poke's going to be or the fitment. I didn't really read into it too much. Here's a wheel fresh out of the box for you. They're matte finish, and these are silver bolts right there, but they actually come with like the anodized gold ones. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. I got like 3-inch bolts there. These are 2.5, so I'm going to go 2.5, suck them in. I'm going to pull out all them, and then I'm going to put 2s, suck them down, 1.5, suck them down until I get the actual beadlock bolts to fit, because they're only like 1 inch. And with the 11s, it's pretty hard. But the 9s, you can get it pretty easy. I'll put the 9 together on film to show you how to slip that together, but let's get this sucker done. 3 of them done, 1 left. Got the 9 left. Should go pretty simple. Might get a little time lapse of me throwing the 9 on. There we go. Alright, there we go. That's one. Alright guys, time to swap the beadlocks onto her. Got the wheels on, and this sucker looks sweet. First time I went 9s and 11s. I usually do a square setup. Man, that looks good. Yoshimura. Best sounding exhaust by far to me is the Yoshimura. Had to go on the bike. I didn't show an install because when I actually bought the bike from the dealer, I bought a Yoshi and I already put it on. But yeah, I figured I'd throw that in there just to show you the Yoshi on there. And yeah, now time to work on the handguards. Fire the handguards on, and then stage 1 of this bike should be done. Still looking at bumper options. I'm not a huge fan of the XT bumpers. I find them really big and bulky. I'd like to get like an XXC on it or something that follows it better. I know they got like a Expedition bumper that kind of follows the curl better. I don't know. Drop a comment what you think on the bumpers. I kind of like the look of it within the bumpers. Kind of got like a sporty look to it to me, but yeah, let's get these fucking handguards on, get this sucker outside, and get a good look at her. Got the handguards on the 850.
Dope is dope.
Michael likes it. Tyler's just... he's not into it.
It's cool, man. It is cool.
He's just peanut butter and freaking jealous, man.
Look at those suckers.
He's just peanut butter and freaking jealous, man.
Here, just near got buried right there, but yeah, here's the Yoshi. Give her a couple braps for you. She's just in neutral here. I said, my opinion, best sounding exhaust for sure. Might give it a little snow launch here for you. A little snowy. So that's the build so far on the Audi. Hopefully we'll go for a rip this weekend. There's, like I said, there's still snow outside, so hopefully we'll get out this weekend for a rip. I'll get a GoPro slapped on the helmet. We'll go have some fun with it. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the short bike build. If you want to see anything else done to it, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, anything in the comments. Bumpers, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Maybe a light bar. Not sure. Skid plates. Not sure. Just drop a comment. Cheers. Let's get it on.